Welcome to ShoWork. This is the complete guide for property managers. From one place, you send work to your vendors, watch it happen, and prove it was done. Let's start at your dashboard. Your dashboard is the whole picture at a glance. Active work orders, quotes waiting for your approval, inspections to review, emergencies, and any vendor documents about to expire. Everything that needs you in one view. Creating a work order takes seconds. Choose the vendor and the property, describe the job, set the urgency, add a deadline or a budget, and send it. ShoWork even blocks vendors whose insurance has lapsed, so you stay protected. Track every job from your work orders list, filter by status, urgency, or vendor, and open any work order to see exactly where it stands in real time. When a vendor sends a quote, you review it right here. See the labor, the materials, and the total, then approve or reject with one click, and the job moves forward. This is the payoff. Open a completed work order and see every photo the crew took, their updates translated for you, and a professional PDF report you can download or forward to ownership. Proof, every time. Mark a job as an emergency and ShoWork takes over. It calls and messages your vendor instantly, escalates automatically if no one responds, and shows you the whole timeline live. When your vendor's account manager inspects a property, the findings come to you. Review each one on the map, acknowledge it, comment back and forth, and verify the work once it is resolved. Manage tenant turnovers under move-outs. Document the unit, send it to your vendor for a quote, approve the work, and track it all the way to a suite that is ready to rent. Every property you manage lives under properties, with its suites, its tenants, and its full history of work orders and inspections, all in one place. Under vendors, you see everyone you work with and, just as important, their compliance. ShoWork tracks every insurance certificate and license and warns you before anything expires. All your vendor invoices land under invoices. Review each one, see what is outstanding, and track exactly what you have been billed and what you have paid. Your accounting view rolls it all up. Outstanding, overdue, paid this month, and a full aging breakdown, so you always know where your maintenance spend stands. Reports turn everything into insight. Completion rates, turnaround times, and your full financial picture, with filters and exports whenever you need them. And finally, your settings. Manage your profile, set a strong password, and two-factor authentication. Switch the app between English and Spanish, and review your activity log. That is ShoWork for property managers end-to-end. Welcome aboard.